Chongqing New World Trading Company was established in 2009, which is one of the biggest supplier and exporter in the area of laboratory and medical consumables in China. We have a professional sales team, which can satisfy clients' demand. With promptly reply and good communication, we are highly praised by our customers from worldwide with reliable quality, first-class service, and competitive price. To cooperate with more customers, we also attend some international medical fairs every year, like MedLab, Arab Health, Africa Health, CMEF, and others. Our associated factory, located in Jiangsu Province, which has Class 100,000 purification workshops, automatic injection machine, standardized production line, quality test center, over 70 capable staffs, and 20,000 square meters building size. In addition, our products were CE approved. All of these conditions allow us to offer thoughtful service for clients. Now we have provided over 200 kinds of products like vacuum blood collection tubes, pipette tip, transfer pipette, test tube, petri dish, centrifuge tube, sample cup, urine container. All the product can do OEM as customer required. Our products have spread over 80 countries, such as Canada, Mexico, Peru, Kenya, Germany, Italy, Ukraine, India, Pakistan, and others. We promise to offer reliable quality and professional service. Let's enjoy a deep cooperation together.